Hi everyone, I thought I would do a demo of a little web application I've been writing called PCB. This program originally started as a place to store my CPU collection. As it has grown out of control, I always forget what I have. So that was the first section that this little website was designed to do. I've built it in such a way that anyone could sign up and you can store a list of your own CPUs, but I've also expanded it, so I thought I would just give a demo of it to see if anyone finds it useful. So basically the idea was that you just click add and then you can type in your CPU. I have most of the manufacturers listed here. Put in a clock speed. We can put in a part number. So originally it was just this list. It was just a really simple way of categorizing and searching the different CPUs that you have. Recently I've been expanding that because the ultimate goal for this is to be able to track video cards, sound cards, and the whole computer systems, with the ultimate goal being able to store and record benchmarks, being able to compare those benchmarks with other people, and I'd really love to be able to make a way so that you can download a nice PDF of all those benchmarks, so that if you're traveling or want to do up an article, it'll be really easy for you to export this into your own sort of setup or website and stuff like that. So I've got some CPUs. Let's go up to the GPUs, and I've added a Voodoo 3 here. So again, you just basically add, and you can go eBay video card. It's a NVIDIA with 32 meg RAM on a PCI bus, and there's the video card. So now that you've got CPUs and GPUs, you can now add computers. So if we go add, we can go test machine. It's got this Cyrix CPU with the Voodoo 3, and we can click add. This is where you'll be able to view your computer profile. I'm just working on this file upload system now, so you'll be able to drag and drop photos and things like that. What will happen in the future is you'll be able to publish these computer profiles publicly via the website without having to log in, but at the moment that's not quite ready yet. So now that a computer has been created, we can now add some benchmarks. So we click add. Let's go the first benchmark before overclock. Let's say we did a 3D Mark 2001, maybe 2000. This is a temp database. A big goal of mine is to expand this application list, so obviously you guys can let me know what is missing and I'll add it. The benchmark here, this is going to be what resolution you've run it at, what color depth and things like that. This will be a drop-down list as well. And then this is where you type your results. Let's say we get that result, and we can go first run, and we click add. So this is the benchmark here. So at the moment, there's going to be a couple of ways that you can view them, but if you click into this benchmark, it'll give you a global view of every benchmark that someone has run of this default. So anyone that's used 3D Mark 2000 default will get listed here. I'm going to add all these filtering options here at some point so that you can filter them based on what CPU they used or what manufacturer and stuff like that. So it's going to take a bit of time. And I want to add some exporting options and things like that. But this is pretty much the basics of where it is at the moment. So in the next couple of weeks, I'm going to work on a public profile, have some images. The graphing system is very basic at the moment. I'm going to add some pretty cool features in the next couple of weeks. I also want to add not just the specific benchmark, but I want to graph the entire program. So if you run different benchmarks and different color depths, that you can compare them and hover over them and see stuff like that. So yeah, there's quite a lot to come. So all you need to do is go to pcb.vogonswiki.com and click Create Account, and then sign up an account, and you can start logging information. The database will keep growing as I add things to it, and you can post on the forums if you've got any feature requests or bugs or anything like that. Thanks very much.